Good morning, everyone. My name is Asha Chandra. I work for the City of Fremont Human Services Department. Thank you all for being here. I want to thank our agencies and organizations for coming today, and I want to thank all of our volunteers who are here today. The idea today is to just have a resource fair, get to know one another. We've had a lot of workshops and presentations in the past for our volunteers, but today, as requested by our volunteers, they wanted to build that personal connection with the agencies and organizations who serve seniors here in the Tri-City area. So this is really for you to build that connection, for the agencies to learn about the volunteers and the needs of the community, and for the volunteers to learn about the agencies. So feel free to walk around, grab a bag, and just make that personal connection. We're here till 11:30. We have to vacate the room at 11:30 sharp, so just so you know the sense of timing. And you know, if there are people waiting, I know some agencies, some volunteers have a lot of specific questions and might take too long. If we can just keep the room moving, that would be great. So thank you so much.
My life then.
Yeah. You can have some information. There's a lot of information in all different languages to help you out, okay? Ready. This is, you want to look at this. I don't know if you know.
Good morning. How come no one sit here? Let me sit here.
All right, you just have a seat.
All right, just tell me what you're doing here.
Well, I'm with Bay Area Caregivers, and we provide caregivers in the home, everything from 4 hours to live-in. And we also have everything from child care through hospice.
Wow. So what kind of insurance do you have?
We carry the top, I should have brought copies, but we carry both the honesty bond and the highest insurance for a company of our type. And I do have copies of those, but I didn't bring them.
So do you take care of also Medicare also?
We do not deal with Medicare. We're non-medical, and we take workman's comp, long-term insurance, and self-pay.
I see. Good. Okay. So where's your office located?
Our office is located very near here, off of Liberty. It's on 39210 State Street.
And what's the phone number?
And the phone number is 818-0008. That's in the 510 area code.
And what's your name again?
Jeannie Souza. And here's my card. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello.
Ask you a question. Why introduce yourself? What you're doing here?
Well, we're here to answer your questions.
Okay, good.
You might have
and you represent?
Social Security.
Oh, Social Security. Okay. So, yeah, can you briefly introduce us, you know, who visit your office and what kind of service they ask for?
Sure. Everybody from all over the world visit our office. We're one of the first ones that you visit when you step into the USA for Social Security numbers. We help people file for retirement, disability, Medicare. There's a lot of programs that we help you, and we refer you to other county or government agencies.
Okay, so most of the people visit your office, they ask for the benefit or ask for the medical help? What kind of?
Yes, everything.
Everything.
So medical, if you're disabled, we try to help you get money to help you survive. And then people who worked and are ready to retire and no longer work, we help them with that too. So we're there for the community.
Okay. So you have office everywhere in the city?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. And you're from which office?
Fremont.
Fremont office. Okay. Can we have the Fremont office phone number?
It's 888-632-7073.
And what's the address?
3100 Maury Avenue, Suite 100, Fremont 94538.
Can I have your name?
Mrs. Rivera.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And your name, sir?
Mr. Rivera.
Good. All right. Thanks for your help.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, tell us what you're doing here.
I am here to share some of the resources that we have at the Community Health Resource Center
And what you represent?
in Palo Alto Medical Foundation here in Fremont.
Oh, wow. You had in Fremont. And everyone knows Palo Alto is the other side of the bay.
I know, it's a little confusing, but we do have a Fremont clinic, and I think we've been here 30 years, maybe.
30 years in Fremont.
Before
Oh,
me.
wow. So where'd you located?
On at Stevenson and Paseo Padre, that intersection, we're on Liberty, or Kearney actually, on Liberty, Paseo Padre and Stevenson.
So you open every day? How many days do you open?
The clinic is open Monday through Saturday. It's only
Monday through
closed
Saturday.
Sunday.
Okay.
But where I work in the Community Health Resource Center is open Monday through Friday from 9 to 4:30.
Okay.
So where I work, people can come in. They don't have to be Palo Alto patients. They can come in and talk to me and my coworker. We are registered nurses, and so we help people with health information and community resources anytime.
Very good. So you take care for all age of the...
All ages.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, good.
Babies to senior citizens.
All right. Can we have your name again?
My name is Kim Greer.
And what's the phone number for your clinic?
You can reach me. My number for the resource center is 510-623-2231.
What about the general office number?
So the main clinic
Main
number,
office?
if you wanted to make an appointment or call about a doctor, would be 510-490-1222.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
First, tell me, who are you?
I'm May Lee with the City of Fremont, and this is Janice Carey. She's the city's housing counselor.
So what are you doing here today?
We are here to provide hands-on information to the senior ambassador program.
So what's
And to the community at large.
What's the exciting project do you have now?
At this point, we don't have anything that's coming up, but what we do have is a notebook that we had put out earlier this year. The only thing that's holding it up at this point is that we don't know what the future of redevelopment is. Once we know, once the state of California, the Supreme Court makes a decision about the future of redevelopment, we do have funds set aside to launch a development. But if redevelopment is eliminated, then that will go away.
How's your Perota project?
I'm sorry?
The Perota project?
It's doing really well, huh, Janice? Yes.
It's
yes.
all full?
They're currently in the process of screening. They're screening
Just
right
screening,
now. They're
okay.
just screening right. And our other exciting development is Main Street Village, and they're in the process of still screening applicants as well. Also, there are a bunch of tenants that have moved in already, but it's an ongoing process.
So the application is cut off already, right?
That's right. That's right. And my understanding is that how many applications that they received? We understood it was over 2,000 applications.
2,000?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. And the same with Cottonwood.
Wow.
Yes.
Very excited.
It is. But, it's also an indication of what the need is as well, also here in Fremont.
We need more projects like this.
Yes. And I recently heard that the the federal government, HUD, is cutting its programs. And they're wanting the state and they want local jurisdictions to be more responsible for the development of affordable housing. And they're sort of getting out of that business, which is really sad.
Wow.
But we'll see.
Okay.
Nothing is final yet.
After January 15th, we should know more about what we're going to be doing as far as housing and development.
Is there a way the general public can get resource information from you? We have a website?
We do. We have our website. All you need to do is visit the city's website, www.fremont.gov, and look under housing.
Housing.
Yes, you're going to find a whole lot of information, not only in housing, but there's lots of exciting information. The city is also starting a pilot program with Facebook, Tweet, and YouTube.
Okay, all right.
Yes, you can get all that information on our website.
So what would be your contact number, your phone number?
Our main number is 510-494-4500.
Repeat again, what's your name?
It's May, M-A-Y, Lee, L-E-E, and this is Janice Cherry.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Thank you. So much.
Thank you, John.
How are you? Okay, tell me what you're doing here.
Alright, so we are Tri-City Health Center. And so
You represent what?
we are Tri-City Health Center. We help out families and individuals who don't have health insurance.
Oh, you
Who don't have health insurance.
But what if they don't have money?
Oh, sure. We don't turn away anybody. So
Wow.
what we do is that we help them sign up for state and county programs
I see.
to help them pay for it, or if they're working, they pay at low cost, very low cost.
I think among all, your program will be the best. Everyone would like to hear it.
Yes, we would try to take it.
Okay. So tell us a little bit more, what you provide, what kind of services.
Alright, so what we do, this is our general flyer. We do have medical services. If people, for example, also have chronic care conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, we help out in that. So we also have mental health services and nutrition as well. So we help out individuals who need help in nutrition.
Do you provide a dental care?
With dental service, we only cover from 21 and under.
From what?
From 21 years old and under. But those services for them are going to be free.
Good.
Yeah.
So where's your office located?
We are located on 39,500 Liberty Street.
Liberty. In what city?
Fremont.
What will be your phone number?
Oh my goodness. 510-700-8040.
Can I have your name again?
Erica.
Thank you so much, Erica.
Thank you. This is information about YouTube video.
Who?
Like to look at the YouTube video? Is Asha gonna send it through email?
Yeah, Acacia, we send it to everyone.
Oh, okay.